Hi everyone, this is Tintin. If you're a seafarer or a cruise ship crew member, this video is for you. After the news about Operation Tidal Wave, where 28 crew members were detained in San Diego, your questions have been flooding my comments. Why were they detained? What exactly is illegal? Are my family photos putting me at risk? Does a VPN protect me? Let's answer all of that right now, straight and simple. So, what happened? Between April 23 to 27, 2026, U.S. federal agents boarded 8 cruise ships in San Diego and detained 28 crew members, 26 Filipinos, 1 Portuguese, and 1 Indonesian, as part of Operation Tidal Wave. 27 of those 28 were confirmed to have received, possessed, or distributed child sexual abuse material, CSAM, on their devices. Their visas were canceled and they were immediately deported. This is the part most people don't know. Apps like WhatsApp, Google, iCloud, and Messenger are legally required to scan content on their servers. When they detect illegal material, they automatically report it to authorities without anyone manually checking your phone. And a VPN cannot stop this. VPN hides your internet traffic, but it cannot hide a log file inside an app. The detection happened at the app level. VPN is useless here. Are your family photos illegal? This is the number one question in my comments. Let me be very clear. Completely fine. Kissing your child on the cheek, family hugs and selfies, birthday, baptism, everyday family photos, regular video calls with your kids. This is where it gets dangerous. Photos or videos of child without clothing, even your own child. Any image with sexual content involving a minor, content that auto-downloaded to your phone from group chats, even if you never open it. That last one catches a lot of people. Go to your WhatsApp and Messenger settings right now and turn off auto download. Ships docks at a U.S. port. U.S. federal law applies to everyone on board. CBP can inspect your device. Possession of CSAM in the U.S. means minimum 5 years in federal prison, up to 20 years, permanent deportation, career over, life change forever. One image is enough for a federal change. Before every US port call, audit your phone gallery and downloads folder. Turn off auto-download on all apps. Leave any group chat where people send questionable content. Review your cloud backup. Never download or forward any content involving minors. Think a VPN protects you, it doesn't. Stay in group chats sharing illegal content. Ignore your auto-downloaded media folders. If you accidentally receive something, it cannot happen to anyone. Here's what to do. First, don't forward it to anyone. Second, delete it immediately from chat and downloads. Third, leave the group chat right away. And fourth, write down the date and time. This protects you. Acting fast shows you didn't want it. That matters legally. You are thousands of miles from your family, sacrificing everything to give them a better life. Don't let one mistake or someone else mistake on your phone. Take that all away. The rule is simple. If you wouldn't show it to a police officer without fear, delete it. Share this video with your fellow crew members. It could save someone's career or their freedom. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there.